These little cameras are great, but the weak point is the lens cover here. This one had a little bit of dust stuck in it. We've managed to blow it out with some very low pressure compressed air, but this one was beyond repair because its owner tried to mend it with a teaspoon or a finger or a lollipop stick or something and made it beyond repair. However, we're going to try and make it back into a useful camera because the manufacturers want nearly as much for the lens cover as they do for the camera. All the shutter gubbins went in there, which is just like a lens cover. So I've got some of these cheap pound a piece UV filters off eBay, and I'm going to try and cut a piece of the glass, glue it in there and stick that back in there. To release the glass from the frame of the filter, I've just cut a little hacksaw cut in there and a ring comes out. There we are. So now all we need to do is cut that glass to the appropriate shape. I've drawn a circle of the appropriate size on a piece of paper here. So I put the piece of glass over it and score around it with a glass cutter. There we are. Right, it's slightly oversized, so I'm just going to grind the edges off on my grinder. The grinder was making a bit of a mess, so I found it's better just to finish it off on this with this diamond file. So there we are, the new lens cover made. I reckon that is a very useful repair. Job done. It's glued together, it's been cleaned, and it's probably even better than new because there are no moving parts, and all that Grandma has to do to clean it is scrub that piece of glass with the end of a handbag or the sole of a shoe or whatever other inappropriate thing that she can find, and she cannot touch the lens. So when she's damaged it, we'll be able to put another piece of glass in there.